Bakit tayo lumarga ng ganitong kaaga? Sapagkat nabuhay na naman ang Tour of the Fireflies, 22nd Tour of the Fireflies. Itong Tour of the Firefly na to, ito yung meron silang advokasya na panlaban sa climate change sa pamamagitan ng normalizing. Ito yung sinasabi ko, normalizing. Ibig sabihin maging natural na sana ang pagbibisikleta sa mga tao. Yun ang pakay nila, no? To fight climate change and healthy living. Sila din tumulong sa pagtutulak ng Clean Air Act of 1999. Kasi the same year nabuo rin yung Tour of the Firefly, Firefly Brigade 1999. Doon nabuo yung Firefly Brigade. So sinusuportahan ko to dahil tumulong din sila sa pag-encourage sa gobyerno ng bike lanes, as you can see from 1999. So let's say it's 22 years. Nakita nyo naman talagang ini-incorporate na ang bike lane sa mga kalsada. Ini-incorporate na sila. Kaya tumutulong ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong year ako sumali. 13th yata. 13th. Gumawa pa nga ako ng mga custom bikes. Papakita ko sa video rito. Gumawa pa ako ng mga custom bikes para ma-inspire yung mga bikers, no, to commemorate this occasion, Tour of the Fireflies. So nakipag-tie up din sila sa Earth Day at saka yung I think Earth Hour and National Bicycle Day. So lahat yan tinasalihan ko rin with my custom bicycles, no, yung mga weird kong bicycles na nasa akin pa hanggang ngayon. Pero hindi lahat. Dati kasi siguro mga 8 yun eh. Ngayon 5 na lang yata. 5 na lang yata yung natitira dun sa mga custom bicycles. Of the Firefly. Noong una inaalam ko kung bakit Firefly. Akala ko yung lighting company, no? Akala ko yung lighting company na Firefly. Pala naman it's the Firefly, the insect. Kasi yung Firefly pagka pala yung Firefly o tawag doon sa pag pala yung Firefly nabubuhay sa isang area, ibig sabihin yung ecosystem ng area maayos pa, may balance pa.
Hey, so maligayang at magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Today we gather for our grand reunion to celebrate the positive results in the midst of the pandemic. We once again gather cyclists from all walks of life to celebrate and ride with us today. Now, just before we move forward, may we take this moment of silence to commemorate and remember the victims of road accidents, the many lost or injured on the world's roads, together with their families, friends, and many others who are also affected. It is also a day on which we thank the emergency services, medical teams, and road officers and reflect on the tremendous burden and cost of this daily continuing disaster to families, communities, and countries.
And now we may call on our Chairwoman Firefly Brigade Ms. Roselle for a short message.
Good morning to all. We'd like to thank our sponsors, our presenters, and the marshals on behalf of the tour director this year, Coy Castillo. No, I'm wearing the t-shirt I wore 22 years ago. No, I'm 64, but I'm still here, and we're celebrating. You're all here. I think that's the most important thing. You woke up so early to come to celebrate, to bring your voice into the discourse about the bicycle as a zero emissions vehicle. We are part of a community. You are most important. You're riding your bike and waking up early is your vote for cleaner air. I think that's very important. And bringing your family, your pets, your friends being together, I think that's most important. Building communities to be visible on the road. No? So today we celebrate year 22 of the Tour of the Fireflies of the Firefly Brigade. We are a volunteer organization pushing for cleaner air, which we have been doing for more than 2 decades. And we are very happy that the community is growing. And you're here. It's a big reunion for ReCycle. So mabuhay tayong lahat.
Right.
Thank you so much, Mr. Fed.
Okay, thank you, Madam. Now, let me just give a quick run through about on our route today. No? So we're riding out for Oshala. At first exit, we right at Tutobagal. Okay. Then from there we enter Paranaque. We ride along about a kilometer or two, and then we exit to Pasay. From there we ride again on towards Manila, moving on forward to Quezon City, San Juan, and then back into Quezon City again. We will do a quick stop or go through at Amoranto. From there we will ride back to Manila, Pasay, Paranaque, and back here to Oshala. Okay, so again, this is a reminder that this is a 40-kilometer ride, and so I hope everybody was able to tune up their bikes, get sufficient water for the ride, prepare themselves for their overall well-being.
So we are in Mapa Street, Santa Mesa, Manila. Aksi! Naghiwalay na, lumawak na yung gap. Ngayon yung baka nagugutom na yung baka. Ayun, gutom na. Uy, itombes. Bilis oh, nakahiga lang siya oh, bilis. Yun o, nakabike, nakahiga. Oo, nakaganon. Uy, ang haba, nag-iwalay na. Lumuwag na. Lumuwag na, oh. Ayun, oh, may gap dun, oh. Woo! Oh, isa lang, isa lang. Ayun, oh, tignan mo, oh, yun, oh. Parang insekto. Bumuka na. Hey, pito ka. Stopping. Wala lang ako wawang. Kaya nakaka-hazard. Custom hazard. Riding with the Manila Cup. This is new for me. Riding with the Manila Cup. Manila Cup or MNG. Kaliwang lane, we're going to Taft Avenue. Taft Avenue. Taft Avenue. Riding with a cop. This is you. Next time nahabol ka ng pulis, ako humahabol sa kanya. Malamig pa rin. It's 7:30 pero malamig pa rin. Nice weather. Nandito kami sa tulay. Ano tulay yan? Namulog.